سورة الجمعة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
يسبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض الملك القدوس العزيز الحكيم.
Whatsoever is in the heavens and whatsoever is on the earth glorifies Allah, the King, the Holy, the Almighty, the All-Wise.
هو الذي بعث في الأميين رسولا منهم يتلو عليهم آياته ويزكيهم ويعلمهم الكتاب والحكمة وإن كانوا من قبل لفي ضلال مبين.
He it is who sent among the unlettered ones a messenger from among themselves, reciting to them his verses, purifying them, and teaching them the book and the legal ways of the Prophet. And verily, they had been before in manifest error.
وآخرين منهم لما يلحقوا بهم وهو العزيز الحكيم.
And he has sent him also to others among the Muslims who have not yet joined them, but they will come. And he is the Almighty, the All-Wise.
ذلك فضل الله يؤتيه من يشاء والله ذو الفضل العظيم.
That is the grace of Allah which He bestows on whom He wills, and Allah is the owner of mighty grace.
مثل الذين حملوا التوراة ثم لم يحملوها كمثل الحمار يحمل أسفارا بئس مثل القوم الذين كذبوا بآيات الله والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
The likeness of those who were entrusted with the obligation of the Torah is the likeness of a donkey which carries huge burdens of books, but understands nothing from them. How bad is the example of people who deny the proofs and revelations of Allah. And Allah guides not the people who are polytheists and wrongdoers.
قل يا أيها الذين هادوا إن زعمتم أنكم أولياء لله من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين.
Say, O you Jews, if you pretend that you are friends of Allah to the exclusion of all other mankind, then long for death if you are truthful.
ولا يتمنونه أبدا بما قدمت أيديهم والله عليم بالظالمين.
But they will never long for death because of what deeds their hands have sent before them. And Allah knows well the wrongdoers.
قل إن الموت الذي تفرون منه فإنه ملاقيكم ثم تردون إلى عالم الغيب والشهادة فينبئكم بما كنتم تعملون.
Say to them, verily, the death from which you flee will surely meet you. Then you will be sent back to Allah, the all-knower of the unseen and the seen, and He will tell you what you used to do.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا نودي للصلاة من يوم الجمعة فاسعوا إلى ذكر الله وذروا البيع ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
O you who believe, when the call is proclaimed for the prayer on Friday, come to the remembrance of Allah and leave off business and every other thing. That is better for you if you did but know.
فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون.
Then when the Friday prayer is ended, you may disperse through the land and seek the bounty of Allah and remember Allah much that you may be successful.
وَإِذَا رَأَوْا تِجَارَةً أَوْ لَهْوًا انفَضُّوا إِلَيْهَا وَتَرَكُوكَ قَائِمًا قُلْ مَا عِندَ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ مِّنَ اللَّهْوِ وَمِنَ التِّجَارَةِ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الرَّازِقِينَ.
And when they see some merchandise or some amusement, they disperse headlong to it, and leave you standing while delivering the Friday religious talk. Say, that which Allah has is better than any amusement or merchandise, and Allah is the best of providers.